I think today's generation probably understands it better than almost any, that new companies can change the world. The innovators who launch truly new companies with bold ideas put a dent in the universe pretty quickly. It's the hardest thing you can do, and that makes it one of the most important and impactful things we can teach you how to do. So it's vital to be a business school that's focused on entrepreneurship to really make a difference where it's going to count in changing the future.
Which means you have to plant a small seed and give it a chance to grow. So a lot of the things that we have now, like the Rice Business Plan Competition, they started as a crazy idea. And now here we are 25 years later, and look what it's turned into, right? So you have to be able to plant these seeds, encourage them, put them in a good ecosystem, and let them grow. And we've been able to do that for generations.
And it's like the Super Bowl of entrepreneurship every year. It couldn't be more exciting and more successful at bringing entrepreneurs and technologists together to really shape the future through new organizations.
And it has an incredible impact on the students who compete, but also on the greater community and the greater society at large. What I'm excited about is the new addition and the expansion of the business school, which will allow us to continue to grow the competition beyond where it is today.
There's no other school in the country that quite has the mix of programs, leaders, opportunities, and is situated in a business community that loves entrepreneurship as much as this one does.
And it's always been very vibrant, it's exciting, it's growing.
It's a place where innovation takes hold. It's a place where entrepreneurs can come and grow and learn, and startups are welcome, innovators are welcome, entrepreneurs, founders.
You put all that together with a feeling that you belong and that you actually have a network of people that can connect you to every point in this constellation of opportunities in Houston, and you've got that at Rice. And there's not a quicker way to be connected to all the sources of innovation and future growth than to be a part of our communities.
And I think we open doors to students that come in. They may not know what entrepreneurship is all about, they may have heard about it, but when they come in here, we get to open a new door to them.
And we can confront you with angel investors, all sorts of financiers who can tell you the best and the brightest tips out there about what it takes to lead and launch a great company.
That real-world experience is really valuable for getting started as an entrepreneur. A lot of the entrepreneurship curriculum is taught by faculty that have experience or are actually adjunct faculty that are actively, investing or running a company themselves. That network is something that you can really leverage because it's so kind of close and tight-knit while you're here.
And the school's culture is just that perfect supportive unit that's very student-centered, and it's really designed to help students live out their dreams, to be as bold as they can be while they have the resources and the opportunity. And the best thing we can do is encourage them to do that and get them ready, because those are the types of innovations that shape the future and make the world a better place. You put all that together and you've got the world's best graduate entrepreneurship program 6 years in a row.